Do I sense heartbreak? Now, we're all assuming that maybe this is like Harley Joker breakup, but I don't think so. First off, I don't think Leto's going to make an appearance, and I don't want to have that whole thing like, oh, we just assume. You know, he's not on screen, but we know that he's like in that building. I don't want that. So that might be something else. I'm hoping it is. And then the whole thing about the hyenas, the evidence is mounting. By the way, that's her with Cass. And it looks like her shirt says fucking Harley Quinn. Something like that. Yeah, this movie is... There's no way that this movie is going to be PG-13. No way. No way. And then, hi, Ramona. Jesus. Okay. You see with the camera there, my right hand? Sorry, I just watched Scott Pilgrim like a couple days ago, so I'm like totally fucking in love with her right now.